This is topic B on page 89, creating and modifying a template.
You have seen how useful a template can be to create documents with a consistent look, with formatting already applied, and in some cases with content already in the document. There may be times when the templates that are available don't quite meet your needs. You can modify existing templates or create new templates, which is what you will do in this topic. You can create templates from an existing document or from another template. To save a document as a template, specify the Save As type as Word Template, and by default, Word stores custom templates in the Custom Office Templates folder. To create a template from an existing template, open it from the templates list in Backstage View, make the desired changes, and save it again as a Word template with a new name. So here I have an example document, and it has the Bar PC Training LLC header. Now suppose I wanted to use this document many times in the future. I could create a template based on this layout. Maybe I wanted to, have placeholder text that has that prompts the user to insert body text here. What I need to do is enter macro button fields, and this takes a little bit of programming language. What you do here is, let me get my notes up. You need to hit your Alt and I think it was F9. Sorry, Control and F9. Control and F9 will add curly brackets, and these are known as your field code braces. And in those field code braces, you're not going to memorize this coding. Nobody expects you to, so don't freak out about this. But in these square brackets, you're going to enter this coding. Macro button, no macro, and then whatever's in your square brackets will actually be on the screen to prompt the user whatever to type there. So you can have something like type the body text of your document here. Then another square bracket. So only what's within the square brackets is what is actually going to appear in your template. The other coding is just telling Word to make this a text placeholder. So if I wanted to save this whole document as a template, I would do a Save As. I want to save as type. I want to change this to Word template. And you can see it's automatically going to take me to the custom office templates. I have to stay here. You have to save your template files here. Otherwise, you won't be able to access them as a template. Then you would just change your file name. We'll call this Bar PC template. And then click your Save button. So now I can close my template out. Now suppose I wanted to create a document based on that template. What I would do, same way I access my other templates, go to File, New. So now I'm on my new screen, but I don't want to search for online templates. These are personal templates that I myself have created. So you see we have a featured tab. This is where all Office templates will be located, but I also have a personal tab. And look here, I have my Bar PC template. I have my heading all set up, so I don't have to go and format that again. And look here, in square brackets, I have the text that prompts me, type the body text of your document here. So if I single click this, just like the templates from office.com, I can go ahead and start typing and it overwrites that. And then I would just save it as a normal document here. Okay, so the most important thing, if you're using placeholder text, do Control F9 to get those curly brackets. Then it's macro button, space, no macro, and in square brackets, whatever text you want to use to prompt the user. And then you're going to save that whole entire document as a template. Okay, and then you're going to access it from your new screen. And you'll be trying this out in the next activity 4.2, creating a template, coming up in the next video, page 92.